Okay, I just got this, and this piece came out of the knot. I'm sorry, out of the grommet. This is a L6 jacket in OCP. It's Gore-Tex. So to put the bungee back through the grommet, there's a trick. I use baling wire from Harbor Freight. You can pick up a roll for a couple of bucks. And I'll show you how to repair it. So originally it had a knot like right up here. I cut it off. I used a hot paper clip. I got the paper clip red hot, stretched it, and then just went right through the bungee and made it shorter. Because sometimes these come really long and it's unnecessary. So this is about the usable length right here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to get this wire, this baling wire, run the first through this hole into that hole. You see that? And then I'm going to get this guy, this end. Just going to sit here and drill it on the end. That's all the way through. Slide it up. God dog it. Forgot one crucial step. It's supposed to have a knot on the end. There. So, here we go again. Drill it through the hole. Or make a hole. There it is. You're gonna slide the bungee end to the end of the wire, the baling wire. Okay. Now we're gonna get this end. Go through the hole. Gotta make sure it's straight. Make sure you don't poke a hole in the Gore-Tex. Be gentle. Take some time to do this. There it is. Now you're going to pull the baling wire, chicken wire, whatever you want to call this, and you're going to get this end of this bungee through that hole, like that. Now this is where you have to make a decision how tight you want to make the knot so it'll fit through the grommet, because you're going to end up pulling this end. So I'm going to pull, let's see, that's the end. See how it just came through? There's the end of it. So make that a little tight. And you're going to pull. And then boom, there it is. Now you're going to pull back the other way. Not too tight. And you're going to stick the bungee back through that second hole. Just kind of push it in. come out. Now, that right there, as you can see, I'm tugging on it pretty good. You know, these things aren't made to like put all your strength to pull out the bungee. It'll pop that knot, but you know, it all depends on how large that knot that's inside of the fabric, how small you made it. If it's too small, it's going to give you the same problem again. So, but that is the quickest way and the easiest way that I figured out how to fix these things, because sometimes they come in broke from abuse. So anyways, like I said, there it is right there. And once you have this thing cinched down, you know, to your likeness of tightening, what you do is you just tie a knot or two just to get the slack out of it, so you don't have a cord hanging down while you're trying to work. Boom, there it is. And you can adjust it. You get the point. So again, this is the baling wire. Just crimp the very end of it. Make it really tight at the end, right here at the tip, so the cord fits through it. And that's how you repair your Gore-Tex bungee.